No fancy intros for this video. Let me get directly to the point. These are three simple methods to overcome self-doubt and build confidence. Method number one, use affirmations everywhere around you. Give no chance for negativity to linger. Write your confidence boosters like I'm capable and competent. I'm upskilling myself every day. On your diary, your phone screen, your laptop screen, your writing board, wall posters and stickers, bathroom mirror, wherever you can. This way, you will prime your brain towards making you feel confident, and it is scientifically proven. Method number two, dress for success. Wear confidence boosting attire. When you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, you exude confidence. That's why dressing for success is a powerful way to boost your self assurance. Here are some tips to help you create a confidence boosting wardrobe. Number one, wear clothes that fit well and make you feel comfortable and confident. Choose colors that make you feel good about yourself, such as bright and bold colors or calming and soothing colors, whichever suits you. Pay attention to the fabrics and textures of your clothes. Soft, smooth fabrics can make you feel more confident and put together. Accessorize with the items that make you feel confident and stylish, such as a statement piece of jewelry or a quality watch. Take care of your clothes and make sure they are clean and pressed. This will help you feel more put together and confident, like I said before. Dressing for success is not just about the clothes you wear, but about how you feel when you're wearing them. When you look good and feel good, you're going to be confident and you'll look like you own your personal power. Finally, method number three, exercise regularly and eat moderately. Taking care of your physical health translates to self-confidence. Regular exercise and a balanced diet can boost your mood, energy levels, and sense of well-being. When you feel good physically, you're more likely to feel confident and capable. Here are some tips to help you get started on that journey. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy, whether it's walking, running, swimming, or dancing. Aim to exercise for at least 30 to 40 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. Focus on moderation when it comes to eating. Aim to include a balanced mix of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your diet. Shows on your skin as well. Pay attention to how your body responds to different foods and activities. Make adjustments as needed to find what works best for you. It's not about achieving perfection, it's about making progress and taking care of your overall health and well-being. Hope you will begin with the 3 methods right away. Get on it. Do it for at least 41 to 48 days and you will start reaping the benefits. Welcome to the confident you. Until next time, peace.